India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
We're also getting you the latest updates on the sandalwood drug racket and the investigation by the Karnataka police. The Mangaluru crime branch has now summoned another Kannada TV actor in the case. Television actor and popular presenter Anushri has been summoned for questioning. Summons to Anushri comes after a choreographer called Kishore Shetty was arrested, and during his interrogation, Shetty reportedly claimed that Anushri attended few suspicious parties. Today, the bail petitions of Sanjana Galrani and Ragini Dwivedi will be heard. Ragini and Sanjana have been lodged in separate cells in the Parapana Agrahara Central Prison in Bengaluru. This even as one of the key accused, Aditya Alva, who allegedly hosted these rave parties in Bengaluru's Hebbal, remains on the run. Karnataka police have already issued a lookout notice. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us live with more details on this. Nagarjun, just explain to us why Anushri's role is now under the scanner, why there are allegations against her.
Well, when the Mangalore crime branch caught actor Kishore Shetty, who had done a couple of movies in Bollywood, in a small role, he confessed that the parties that he attended in Bengaluru and other places in Karnataka, the participation of Anushri was also there, and that's the reason, based on that statements and a few WhatsApp chat evidences, CCB has summoned Anushri today at 11 o'clock to be present in Mangalore. This is not the Bangalore CCB, but the coastal town of Mangalore CCB has summoned Anushri. She's a big presenter in Kannada, Kannada movie world, and also actor as well. She has contacts with all top Kannada actors. She's very pally with them because she herself has a YouTube channel and interviews most of them as a host. And Anushri also has put out a statement that she will cooperate with the investigation and go to Mangaluru and give out whatever information that she has. But she claims that she has never done drugs and has no information about this. But as a citizen, she would go today at 11 o'clock and would cooperate with the investigation. Another update that you spoke about is the bail for Ragini and Sanjana. Both of them, since the start of September, are in prison in judicial custody. It is likely that they might get bail, is what the experts are saying, but we'll have to wait and watch what will happen to their fate. Will it be, will they walk out free from the prison, or will they still continue